Hello everyone, this is an online medical consultation website developed by me. I have used React.js for the front end and styled it using Material UI, Node.js in the backend, and I have integrated Firebase for the database. So this is the homepage of Medicare. We have three kinds of login here, one for the doctor, one for the patient and one for the admin. Let's start with the doctor login first. A doctor can sign up using Google or any other email ID. On signing up for the first time, the doctor will have to complete all his details in order to get his profile verified by the admin. He will have to submit details like registration number and medical council, which can be verified from the National Medical Council website of India. He can also add his slot for which he would be available for booking appointments. After submitting the details, the verification will be pending by the admin. Now, let's see the admin profile. So an admin can only sign in and the details will be provided to them. Any external user won't be able to sign up as an admin to the website. So these are the various functionalities of the admin. In the doctors section, he can view all the verified and unverified doctors and can check their details and mark their profiles as verified. Now you can see that the profile of the doctor has been verified and now he would be listed in the doctors list on this website. He can also update his profile picture. So all his details will be visible in the profile section along with his patient's ratings and reviews. Since he is a newly registered doctor, these details are empty. We also have the notifications section to view all important updates. Now let's see the patient section. A patient can also sign up using Google or any other email ID. The patient also needs to complete his profile before booking appointments, but his or her profile doesn't require verification by the admin. Instead, it gets verified on its own after completing all the required details. These are the functionalities available for the patient. Let's go to the dashboard section to update the profile picture. Here also we can view the latest notifications. In the profile section, this graph is empty right now, but it will get updated once any doctor enters the values during the consultation. Now let's book appointments. So here we can view all the list of verified doctors and we can search any doctor either by his or her name, speciality or city according to our requirement. Now let's see the profile of one of the doctors. Of Dr. Test. We can view all his details including past patient ratings and reviews. Let's book an appointment with this doctor. Here we can add the mode of consultation, preferred date, time slot and symptoms. Now, since this time is not in the time slot of the doctor, it will prompt us with an error message and then we can modify accordingly. As soon as it is booked, the doctor can view it in his appointments section, from where he can either confirm it or cancel it. He can also view his confirmed appointments. The moment he confirms an appointment, a meeting will be scheduled automatically on that date and that time. Similarly, the patient will also receive this notification. She can also view the scheduled meeting and can directly join from there. Also, the doctor can directly join by clicking on this button. The video meeting has different functionalities for patients and doctors. Toggling mic, video and chatting are common in both. The doctor can directly view the patient's profile from the meeting itself and can view his or her past medical history along with his past meetings with the patient. So this is the functionality to view the patient profile. The doctor can also enter his prescription in the meeting itself. And finally, he or she can update the patient's reports like blood sugar level and weight. Now let's move to the patient section. So the patient can directly download the prescription as a PDF and it will appear something like this. I have used JS PDF to add this functionality. Also, The patient can provide feedback for the doctor, which includes ratings and reviews for the doctor. I had implemented this video calling feature using WebRTC, and I had used the simple peer library to implement it in React. So after ending the call, the doctor can view his patients in the Your Patients section, and at any time can view their medical history, graphs, and his past appointments along with the symptoms and prescriptions given by him. This will help in a better diagnosis. Similarly, the patient can also view his or her past appointments too, along with its complete details like what were the symptoms, prescriptions, and the feedback which he or she gave to that doctor, and can also view the doctor's profile so that he or she can book an appointment again with that particular doctor. Now we are going to see some other functions of the admin. So the admin can also create posts for all users. In such posts, he can include any random information or some update related to the website. All these posts will be visible in the latest updates section of both doctors and patients. There are a few more features, like the patient can also edit particular details after completing the profile, for example age, address, etc. Also, you can see that the website is completely responsive and mobile friendly. Also, the doctor can edit some of his details like address and time slots according to his or her convenience. So this was my website which I had built during the technical fest of my college. Do let me know your response in the comment section. Thank you.